All right, so if LD Player feels slow or laggy on Windows 11, yeah, you're definitely not the only one. In this guide, I'll show you a few practical fixes that usually clear up lag and improve performance fast. First, close LD Player completely and reopen it. After Windows 11 updates, the emulator can stay stuck in a low performance state until it fully restarts. Next, open LD Player settings and go to the performance section. Make sure it's using enough CPU cores and memory. If these reset after an update, lag is almost guaranteed. Now, this part is important. Virtualization. If it's disabled, LD Player will lag badly on Windows 11. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your system and recognized by the emulator. Next, head to Graphics Settings and switch the rendering mode. Try OpenGL first, then DirectX if lag continues. One of these usually works better depending on your GPU. Also, check what's running in the background on Windows 11. Too many startup apps or heavy programs can steal resources and slow the emulator down. One last thing, make sure your graphics driver is fully up to date. Windows 11 plus an outdated driver is a common cause of emulator lag. And yeah, that should fix most LD Player lag issues on Windows 11. Try these steps one by one, and performance usually improves right away. If the lag started after a recent update, a future patch may smooth things out even more.